you wanted to do something cool and crazy.
That's cool and crazy.
Hey guys, Pascaline is back. She texted me, do whatever you want. It's going to be short again.
Now on to part 2.
Ooh.
Well, you said you wanted to do something cool and crazy. There we go.
Ooh. That's cool and crazy. Oh wow. Nee, ik heb er nog niets ontdekt. Wat? Zo.
Cool, huh? Well, that's it guys, we're done. What a cool change in color. Pale pink, and you said it's even better than gray or ashy. I love it.
Me too.
Great. Let me know what you guys think of it down here in the comments. Thank you for coming, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.